What's up, YouTube? What's going on, CCI family? It's your main man back with the game plan. Yep, once again, but you already know that. So look, I know it's only Wednesday, but I had to hop in here real quick to address what's going on in this market today. And no, I'm not talking about the red day, the bloodshed. That's going to happen. If you're in the market, that's part of the game. What we want is to have way more up days than we do down. And we've been having that without a problem. So these kind of days, brush it off, because these red days bring so much green later. It's ridiculous. And if you're following the videos, following the pattern, following the formula, you don't have to worry about this. And I will speak on that again later as well. However, what I'm here to speak about today is not the foolishness of macroeconomics that's going on that's pushing these things down and so forth, or trying to push out AI, which ain't going nowhere no time soon. And I know I said ain't, and that's what I meant. It ain't going nowhere no time soon. What I'm here to speak about is Modine Manufacturing. Yep, once again, MOD, ticker symbol. I speak about it time and time again. As a matter of fact, I've spoken on it for the last almost 2 years. I can't tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. Never would think of doing so. But when I speak on something with conviction, just know it's for a reason, okay? So look, Modine today just closed at 199. After hours, they're already up above 200, okay? Just let that sink in for a moment. This stock has been on an absolute tear lately. And today wasn't luck. This was conviction as well. Okay, analysts are already rewriting their targets on this stock. Okay, the data center, cooling story is exploding, as I've been said in prior videos. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put one up in the top corner at the end of this one, so you can click it. I've been on this, been telling. Anyway, Modine now is suddenly sitting at the center of one of the biggest infrastructure shifts of this whole decade. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring Avette in real quick. I'm gonna let her break down exactly why this run is happening and what's driving this unbelievable momentum. And then I'm coming right back with you. Stick with it. All right, so before we jump into the Modine madness going on, let's welcome Avette back. And how was your holiday, dear?
Oh, it was great, Vince. The wedding was absolutely beautiful. I got to spend some much-needed time with family, recharged a bit, and apparently I picked the perfect moment to come back, because this run that's happening right now is unbelievable. Modine'S is being powered by one thing: execution. They've raised their 2026 outlook, expanded US manufacturing, and are seeing over 60% growth in data center cooling demand, all tied directly to the AI infrastructure boom. Wall Street noticed multiple firms raised their price targets, and today's close at $199 reflects a market that's finally pricing in Modine's new reality. This isn't a spike, it's a re-rating, and the fundamentals back it up. Analysts have this stock rated as a strong buy, and the average target is now sitting above $209. Earnings strength is another big piece. Modine's EPS growth is running ahead of industry averages, and revenue growth is outpacing peers as well. Even the AI-driven financial models are flagging Modine as a top performer, with high marks in growth, earnings quality, and overall financial health. You can also see the market confidence in the radar breakdown. Strong scores in growth, earnings, and balance sheet health, with valuation still sitting on the low end. That combination is rare. High performance, with room to re-rate even higher, and despite a little insider selling, institutional holders like Vanguard continue to maintain their positions, which tells you the long-term money isn't nervous. Put all of that together, and this move to $199 isn't just momentum. It's the market recognizing Modine as a core player in the AI infrastructure cycle. Now, back to you, Vince.
All right, thank you, Avette. So here's the bottom line. Modine isn't just having a moment. It's stepping into a new lane, okay? The analysts are aligned, the growth metrics are firing, the financial health checks out, and the demand story behind AI infrastructure is only getting louder, okay? When you see a stock close at $199, with this kind of execution behind it, that's not noise. That's a signal. Okay? Well, all right, so as you know, we'll keep track of this run, because if Modine continues delivering the way these numbers suggest, this re-rating might just be the beginning of a much bigger chapter for them. Okay, so stay locked in. We've got more coming, of course, and me and Avette will always break it down for you right here on Chump Change Investments. All right, so as always, have a blessed and financially successful week ahead, and I'll see you Sunday. Peace.